Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Alipay how to convert US dollar to RMB exchange. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To convert US dollars to Chinese yuan, what you need to do is you require a valid passport and real name verification in Alipay, an international version of Alipay used by foreigners in China, and a linked international credit or debit card. In order to convert USD, all you gotta do is simply head over and open up your Alipay app, and then simply tap on the account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, simply tap on the balance, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is select the option that is to or pass if you're using this international version. Then simply tap on exchange or top up, and then choose USD as the source currency, and then enter the amount in USD you want to exchange. Then Alipay will show the current exchange rate and RMB you will receive. Confirm payment and complete identity verification if needed, and the converted RMB will be added to your Alipay balance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.